Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Today, we're talking about a hidden danger. So who is your child really talking to online?
Online games are the new digital playground. But, there's a hidden threat in those chats. And we're not just talking about trolls. Pros are using these chats to steal your family's data.
So what's their playbook? It's simple, really. First, they befriend your child.
They build trust inside the game, then use it to trick kids into sharing sensitive family info. So how can you, as a parent, actually protect your kids from this invisible threat?
Well, the solution is pretty cool. It's a new kind of digital guardian powered by AI.
Here's how it works. It's constantly scanning chats for risky keywords. Then it blocks them.
The moment it spots danger, it alerts you. Think of it like a digital neighborhood watch.
It's a huge layer of security, and you don't have to constantly spy on your kid. These tools are usually part of a bigger package, protecting the whole family on all devices. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.